Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by WarrantyWise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford C-Max Titanium for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot down on the clutch, press the engine start stop button there. Car fires up very nicely, slip it into first gear, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away nicely there, the clutch and the gearbox feel good. The suspension is riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Test all 6 gears, all spot on. Brakes feel nice, the steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really nice car to drive, great visibility. You sit that little bit higher up, makes it easier to get in and out of, easier to get your kids in and out of child seats and things like that. The car's got fantastic specification, so you've got a really nice Sony multimedia system. That's got everything on it, so Bluetooth for both mobile phones, hands-free, and audio streaming, DAB radio, as well as FM and AM, CD player, auxiliary in port, USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. You've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at different temperature to the driver should they wish. Plenty of power from the diesel engine. A lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, all the controls at your fingertips. We've got winter coming and this car's got a heated front windscreen. No scraping required. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, rear parking sensors. So yeah, the car's got everything you need really. So there we are. I hope that has been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.